Very good morning for myself, Venugopal. Today, I want to discuss one of the most interesting topic. See here, from morning to evening, not only evening, after the bed also, one of these most requirement is light. Once you think it, in our daily regular life, we can't imagine absence of light. Our natural resource is sun. Natural resource of light is sun. From morning to evening we have unlimited light. Yes or no? Now also without a tube light I can able to visible to you all because of sunlight. So we can say sun is a natural phenomenon. Natural phenomena. Yes or no? And evening times we are using artificial, so through that electricity or generators or inverters we are using light. So today we are going to discuss in depth of light. Before going to discuss about the light, first of all, what is optics? Optics is a branch of physics which study the properties and behavior of light. Optics is a branch of physics which study the properties and behavior of light. Again, these optics further divided into two. One is ray optics. One is ray optics and the one is wave optics. Let us discuss one by one. First, what is ray optics? In ray optics, light is to be treated as a ray. For example, we hear incident ray, reflected ray. Whenever light is incident on a mirror, that we call as an incident ray. After reflection, the light will be reflected. It means in ray optics, light is to be treated as ray. Light is treated as ray. And if we come to the wave optics, in wave optics, light is to be considered or light is to be treated as a wave. We observe this. We have different types of waves in that electromagnetic wave, and in simple way we can discuss sine wave also. So in wave optics, light is treated as wave. Light is treated as wave. First, what we discuss optics. Optics is nothing but it is a branch of physics which study the properties and behavior of light. Again, these optics subdivided into ray optics. Ray optics, wave optics. In this ray optics, light is treated as a ray. In this wave optics, light is treated as a wave. So up to here clear? And next let me go for light. What is a light? Next, what is light? Generally, light is defined as light is a form of energy which can used for to see the objects, which can able to help for to see the object. Light is a form of energy which is used to see the objects. If you observe here in your room, so many objects. What is in front of you? It means immediately we can say either book or table or chair. It means the object in front of your object is able to appear because of light. If we keep that a chair in dark room, is it visible? No. Why? Because whenever the light is incident on the object, the object again emit back, reflect back. That reflected rays we are observing. That reflected rays are reaches to our eyes. That's why we are all observe reflected rays. We are all observe reflected rays. And we can say light is a sense of vision. So light is a form of energy. Light is a form of energy which is used to see the objects. Which is used to see the objects. And light is a sense of energy. Light is a sense of vision. And it has electromagnetic radiation. And it has electromagnetic radiation. Yes or no? So up to here we discussed what is optics, again further divided into two, and again what is a light. And light is a sense of vision. Light is used to see the objects, and light is also a form of energy. Now if you take a laser light and if you press the button, how the light can travel? Straight line. So light is always travels in a straight line. Where the light can travel in a straight line, where the light can move in a straight line, that we call as a rectilinear propagation. Rectilinear propagation. What is rectilinear propagation? Where the light can propagate in a, what is rectilinear propagation? Where the light can propagate, where the light can propagate in a straight line, where the light can move in a straight line, that we call as a rectilinear propagation. Where light can propagate propagate in a straight line, that we call as a rectilinear propagation. Thank you.